Do you want to make some full cash on YouTube without showing your face, without recording any videos, or even without spending a dime? Hi there, welcome back to Africa Digital channel. Because in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create free AI generated videos and earn passive income with YouTube automation. So without wasting much time, let's get diving. First of all, we need to know what a YouTube automation is all about. YouTube automation allows you to create, manage videos, upload with minimal effort, okay, by just leveraging with AI tools. So imagine you running a successful YouTube channel without spending hours editing or even worrying about content creation. It sounds like a dream, right? Very possible. So let me show you how it is picking a niche. When it comes to picking a niche, I always tell people that they should pick what they are passionate about, okay, what you know that you can do, and pick a niche that is evergreen, what you know that people will be searching for. So when you are picking a niche, pick a niche that has a higher demand and is like, and the competition is very low, okay. Just think about evergreen content like tech, all these tech reviews, health tips, or even educational videos, okay, that people are currently searching for. This is going to help you stand out. Okay, number two is creating AI videos for free. Okay, now let's talk about how you can actually create this video without spending a dime. Okay, there are several AI tools out there that you can turn your ideas into professional looking videos in just a minute. We have tools like is it pictory.ai. We have invideo. It allows you to just copy a script and paste. We have, sorry, just copy a write-up and paste there, and they generate a video for you. They automatically generate a video for you using a stock image, right? So let me move it to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you how you can use those, some of this AI tool, and be creating content. Let's head over to my Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser right here. So let's use invideo app, because invideo on the website. You can actually download the app. So I so much love this very much because it allows you to create a video with no stress, okay. So you just scroll down to where you see invideo AI, or you can say invideo.io, okay. So you can, if you want to download the app, you can see get Android. So we are going to try it on the web browser. So from there, if you have not signed up, I've not signed up with this particular email. So what you just need to do is just to sign up, okay. Let me just say create an account and let me join with Google. So what you just need to do is just to sign up. You choose the email that you want to use to sign up, and you click on continue. So this is how you get to see this site if you have not logged in before. But if you have already logged in before, you just need to go ahead and click on login and put in your password and your email. So just give it any prompt and it's just going to generate a video for you. Even if you are not a writer, no problem, okay. We have AI tools that can also help you. You just give it a prompt and it's going to generate a script for you. And for that, we have ChatGPT, we have Google Gemini, and we, like this video I'm making right here, I got the content idea from ChatGPT. What you just need to do, just go type chatgpt.com and you search for it. You can also use Google Gemini, anyone, okay. When you say okay, generate a YouTube script, okay, on how to make money online, it's going to give you the hook you need to use for the video, the introduction. Like it's it's super helpful, because it's going to give you every damn thing that you need to use for a video. Even if you can see, hi, welcome back to the channel, my name is, you can see all of those stuff like that. After generating all these content ideas, you can go ahead and tell the ChatGPT to generate a thumbnail based on this topic for you. It will just generate a thumbnail, not like you're going to use it, because their thumbnail is more of AI. But just from that thumbnail, you have an idea of the kind of thumbnails you need to use for your video, and from there you can create in it. You can actually bring a thumbnail from that particular topic that you want to talk about. Let's say you want to talk about how to make money online, then you go to YouTube and search for the video and you see all of those stuff like that. You can actually come here, download like 3 or 2 of the thumbnail, come to AI, ask the AI to choose upload the file. Then you now ask the AI to choose which among these thumbnail, which of them will add the highest click-through rate and why. AI will tell you. Then from there you have an idea of how to create a thumbnail for your video. Okay, so if you are not comfortable with recording your voice, you can use AI powered text to speech, to just like we have text to speech to just like more of the AI. And we also have speech, is it speech too? Okay, so they help you to create a realistic voice. These two are perfect for making videos sound professional with extra effort. You can also use CapCut to generate a voice if you don't want to use your voice. Okay, they have so many options depending on the kind of voice you want. You can get all of those stuff on CapCut app. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is you optimizing your video. Like, one thing is you creating a good video and the other thing is for you to optimize your video. If you did not optimize your video, in the sense that your video ranks in search, when people are searching for that particular video, that your good video will not be able to go viral. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I have 2 apps that you can use, which is vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Okay, these apps helps you with keyword. They can tell you the topic that has a higher search but low competition, higher search, all of those stuff. From there you can know where to rank as a small YouTube channel. Okay, so you just need to optimize your video for YouTube search algorithm. Okay, I've already mentioned the tool. It helps you to find the right keyword. You can also optimize your titles, your description, you add hashtags, you add tags to your video, and don't also forget your thumbnail. Okay, for your thumbnail I use Canva for my thumbnail, and you can also do that for yourself. You can design your thumbnail using Canva. You can go to your Canva, click on the search button and type YouTube thumbnail. From there you see a list of thumbnails out there. You can either pick any of, if you want to edit your own from the scratch, you see a blank space, you click on. So the next thing I want to talk about is monetization strategies. Okay, now let's talk about money. The most common way to earn money through YouTube is through YouTube partner program. That is when you get to monetize your YouTube channel when you have 1,000 subscribers and when you have 4,000 watch hours. Okay, this is when you get to monetize your page, because that's the top of the iceberg. Okay, so you can also make money on YouTube through affiliate marketing. What this means that whenever you upload a new video on YouTube, you can actually put your affiliate marketing link right there so that people can easily click and get to buy your product or whatever it is. You can get money from sponsored content, and you can also be making money through digital marketing even without being monetized on YouTube. You can also create and sell digital courses like ebooks, online courses. Okay, another thing I want to talk about is scaling with automation. Okay, as your channel grows, you need to take your automation into the next level. Okay, you can either use tools like use you to schedule your posts whenever time you want to post it. Okay, and you can also consider using tasks like video editing or your thumbnails creation. Okay, so you need to make your thumbnail to stand out. Okay, so managing multiple channels or advertising your content across other social medias can also help you to earn revenue, which is TikTok or Facebook, Instagram. You can also do well to like share your link to all these social media platforms. So the last thing I want to talk about is legal and ethical consideration. Make sure you are using royalty free music. When you go to your YouTube studio, you go to music, you see music that YouTube put in there for you to use to avoid being striked from copyright. Because if YouTube strike your account for like 3 times because of copyrights, trust me, that account is going to be very hard to get money. With the right tools and strategies, you can build a successful YouTube channel without breaking the bank. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Start creating that content, start automating, and start earning. So if you find this video helpful at the very point in time, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be among the first person to get notified. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.